What are the basic units from which human spare parts can be created? Nerve cells, stem cells, heart cells, or kidney cells? Correct answer is stem cells. What are the blood corpuscles that help to build up resistance against diseases? Leukocytes, monocytes, neutrophils, or lymphocytes? Correct answer is leukocytes. The presence of what distinguishes a plant cell from an animal cell? Chloroplasts, cell wall, cell membrane, or nucleus? Correct answer is cell wall. Which among the following bears smallest living cell? Bacterium, mycoplasma, virus, or yeast? Correct answer is mycoplasma. The tissue in man where no cell division occurs after birth is skeletal, nerves, connective, or germinal? Correct answer is nerves. Which one of the following cells produces antibodies? Eosinophil, monocyte, basophil, or lymphocytes? Correct answer is lymphocytes. The main function of white blood cells in the body is to carry oxygen, help in clot formation, produce more red cells, or protect body against diseases. Correct answer is protect body against diseases. The largest cell in the human body is nerve cell, muscle cell, liver cell, or kidney cell? Correct answer is nerve cell. Which of the following makes the skin layer impervious to water? Collagen, melanin, keratin, or chitin? Correct answer is keratin. Which of the following is a correct description of tissue culture? Conservation of forests and plantation, growth and propagation of horticultural crops, science of cultivating animal tissue in artificial medium, or protection of wild animals? Correct answer is science of cultivating animal tissue in artificial medium. Which one of the following is true regarding plant cells and animal cells? Plant cells contain chloroplast while animal cells do not. Plant cells are small while animal cells are large in size. Plant cells contain nucleus while animal cells do not. Or plant cells and animal cells are similar in all respects. Correct answer is plant cells contain chloroplast while animal cells do not. Fluid part of blood devoid of corpuscles is called tissue fluid, plasma, serum, or lymph? Correct answer is serum. The branch of biology dealing with the study of cells is known as cytology, histology, psychology, or physiology. Correct answer is cytology. Cell or tissue death within a living body is called as neutrophilia, nephrosis, necrosis, or neoplasia. Correct answer is necrosis. Plasma membrane in eukaryotic cells is made up of phospholipid, lipoprotein, phospholipoprotein, or phosphoprotein. Correct answer is phospholipid. Which one of the following is also called the powerhouse of the cell? Golgi body, mitochondrion, ribosome, or Lysosome. Correct answer is mitochondrion. Which cells in our body have the least regenerative power? Brain cells, muscle cells, bone cells, or liver cells? Correct answer is brain cells. In human body, cartilage is found in tongue, nose, chin, or nail. Correct answer is nose. The structure in cells which contains light-absorbing pigment is endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, chloroplast, or chromoplast. Correct answer is chloroplast. Stem cells, which are capable of developing into other types of cells, come from the roots, stem, embryo, or flower. Correct answer is embryo. Please join our journey, subscribe, share, and stay updated.